In this video, we're going to look at trig exact values, and I'm going to show you a quick way of remembering them. So the trig exact values we need to know are 0, 30, 45, 60, and 90. They're the ones we need to know, and we need to know them for sine, cos, and tan. Now, I'm going to show you a quick way of doing sine and cos. So what I'm going to do is go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. I'm going to square root this and divide it all by 2. So if I want one of the exact values, I would look at that column. So if I wanted sine 45, I would look at the sine bit for 45, go down, it would be the square root of 2 over 2. So let's look at some examples. So the first one is sine 45. So I'm going to go along, this is sine 45. So we're going to see here, we want the square root, so sine 45 equals the square root of 2 over 2. Let's try another one. Cos 60. So I want cos 60, so I'm going to 60. Want cos, going down to that there. So we've got cos 60 equals the square root of 1 over 2. Well, the square root of 1 is just 1 over 2, which is a half. Now, we also need to be able to do tan as well, find exact values for tan. Now, what we're going to do, so if we want tan 30, we've got to remind ourselves that tan x is sine x over cos x. So we can use the table for sine and cos and divide them. So let's do sine first. So sine 30 is square root of 1 over 2. So we have got square root of 1 over 2, which is just a half, and then we're going to divide it by cos 30. So that would be the square root of 3 over 2. Now, with something like this, we actually have to work it out. So we're dividing fractions, so we're going to change it into multiplication and flip the second. Top times top, bottom times bottom, and now we need to tidy it up. So 2 over 2, well, that's just going to give us 1, and we do need to rationalise. So we're going to times the top and the bottom by root 3. That will get rid of the third on the bottom. So root 3 times root 3 is 3. 1 times root 3 is root 3.